Connect Voltas AC remote. In today's video, you are going to learn how to connect Voltas AC remote with mobile. So let's get started. You have different methods. The method number one is if your phone has an IR blaster, install an IR remote application such as My Remote, Anymore, or Peel Remote. Open the application, choose AC and select Voltas from the list. Then point your phone toward the AC and press the buttons to pair it. Option number 2, if your phone does not have an IR blaster, buy a smart IR blaster like BroadLink. Connect the IR blaster to your Wi-Fi using its official application. Add your Voltas AC inside the application and start controlling it from your phone. Method number 3, for smart Voltas ACs, download the Voltas Smart App and register your AC in the application and control it directly via Wi-Fi. And that's how you will be able to connect Voltas AC remote with mobile.